Good morning all, Matt Vlogs here, aka Ian. I have just arrived back from Orlando from an amazing trip at Walt Disney World. So those videos should be up by now, so have a look at those vlogs if you love Orlando and see what I got up to at Walt Disney World. But I have arrived back and I am now in Ibis Budget Hotel just to get some rest because I am very tired. So this video is going to show you around this room. This is a standard double room and it's close to the Holiday Inn and Terminal 2. So you can walk to Terminal 2. Let's have a look around the room and see what it's got to offer. Let's go. So as always, starting at the front door, no, my bags are not packed to go away. I've just come back. But yeah, it's been an amazing trip. But I'm glad to get back just to get some normality, some rest. So anyway, with the room tour, this is just make sure you know where you are in regards to emergencies. And as you come in, make sure you put the key card in to get the power on. But it's not a big room. It is in the name budget, but it's got everything you need really to get your head down and get a sleep either before you fly out, or I guess myself when you come back, get some rest. So this cost me, it was £99, and I was allowed early check-in, but I had to pay an additional £20 for early check-in because check-in is usually 3 o'clock, 3 PM, and I've arrived early, so I've checked in at 11 AM and paid an extra £20. So this is the Holiday Inn. I think it's the Holiday Inn Express off the top of my head. Then in front of that you've got Terminal 2, Manchester Airport. So overall, in the room, table, desk, little mirror, me, this shelf, long shelf going along here with the TV and some hangers there, hanging space, the bed of course, and up here you have little lights, little shelving there to put things in. Plenty of charging points, so double socket, but your USB points there as well, so that's very handy. Your thermostat here for your heating. So shower room, bathroom, well, shower room, no bath. Shower is nice and big. It's first impressions for me, it's clean. I mean, it's as long as somewhere's clean, that's all I look for. So yeah, all the basics. Got a mirror there as well with the lights in them. You get your shaver charging points there. You've got, let's have a look inside the shower. So you've got hair, body and face wash. It's like an overhead, well, not overhead, but and wall mounted handheld shower. And then out here you've got the same again, hair, body and face wash. And that's it. So, I'm walking into hangers. Let's turn this round. And that's really it. So there's not a lot to this room, I know, but yeah, I'm staying here, so I might as well do a video like I always do with the hotel rooms that I stay in, just to give you an idea of what you're getting for your money, and location wise, give you some sort of information, get your bearings. So anyway, hopefully you have found that useful. Yeah, so until the next time, I'll see you then. Bye bye.
time. Don't leave me here high and dry.